Okay.
Porta Fischer Oifnjan, fortarum bagine, soft der Fischer minastan, Fischer lech gefine.
Are you?
I'm in the conference room.
Fischer lech gefine, tra la 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 la, Fischer lech gefine. Geh ich mir beim Bregarun und tu mein Chulem spinnen. Efter will ich ergetu mein liebsten do gefinnen. Tra la 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 la, mein liebsten do gefinnen. Tra la 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 la, mein liebsten do gefinnen. Ullen chvol jest trojerik, der jam is da batribtet. Efter is gorvich, oi cheta verliebtet. La 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 la, oi cheta verliebtet. Tra la 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 la, oi cheta verliebtet. Kommt der Fischer treuerig, hat kein Fisch gefangen. Und ich bin moirisch heuredig, ach, Hulem ist vergangen. La 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 la, ach, Hulem ist vergangen. Tra la 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 la, ach, Hulem ist vergangen.
Okay. So let's start reading it. Janet, will you start reading it, please?
Barely remembered now, Eliza Greenblatt produced 6 Yiddish books between 1935 and 1966, mostly poems and an autobiography. Greenblatt was an early Zionist from Bessarabia who established a local chapter of the Zionist Organization of America in Atlantic City. She also became a fundraiser for the Jewish National Fund, an active Hadassah member, and a national president of Pioneer Women. In 1920, she and her husband considered moving to Palestine, but that didn't work out. They tried again in 1950, but again they returned to the United States. Many of her poems appeared in Yiddish newspapers in the United States and Israel, and some of them were adapted as songs. Some of them, Fischerlied, Fisherman's Song, appeared in her 1939 anthology Zehn Lieder mit Gesang, 10 Poems with Singing. It is sung here by Chava Albertstein.
Okay, thank you, Janet. Arlene, can you read, Arlene?
Porter Fisher Eufeniam Erfurt Arum Begangen.
Beginnen.
Excuse me, Beginen. So oft der Fischer mein Husband
Minastam. Probably.
Minastam Fischerlich gefinnen. Tra la 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 la. Fischerlich gefinnen. Tra la 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 la, fisherlich gefinnen.
Good. Can you translate it?
A fisherman goes over the sea. He goes around the what's back
Dawn.
dawn. He goes in the
Dawn.
dawn. Um, what is
Es
Sahar?
oft. He hopes.
He hopes the
And Minastam is probably.
You sure it's not your name, Mina Stam?
Minastam, yeah. So he probably is hoping.
he probably is hoping
Fischerlich gefunden.
that he's going to find fish.
Yes,
Yeah.
he's probably hoping that he's going to find fish. And again, tra-la-la.
La 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 la. He hopes he's going to find fish.
Yeah.
Tra la 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 la. Hope he's going to find fish.
Yes. Thank you, Arlene. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Elaine, please.
Gehe ich mir beim Breg ot da?
No,
Und
okay, Arum. Odo,
okay.
yeah. What I sent is Odo. Yeah, there is
Oh, but I was reading from okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Breg, okay.
It's the same.
Und tu mein Cholm spinnen, afscher welch gets vu, mein liebsten da gefinnen. Tralala, mein liebsten gefinnen. Tralala, mein liebsten da gefinnen. So, I go to the shore right there, around the shore, and I make my dream.
Yes,
Spin my
yes,
dream.
spin my dream.
Yeah, perhaps somewhere, I will find my beloved. Yeah?
Yes, yeah.
My tra-la-la, my beloved there to find, tra-la-la, find my beloved.
Yeah, go on. Continue, please.
Okay, Murmeln chvalius treuerek. Der Yam is a batribter.
Yeah.
Afsher?
Efsher, that's
Efsher.
it's
Yeah,
Efsher.
Efsher is gor wie ich. Euchet a verliebter, tralalala, euchet a verliebter, tralala, euchet a verliebter. So the waves are quietly murmuring.
Not quietly, sadly.
Sadly, treurig, yeah, sadly. The sea is, I think I'm not sure about tribter, about tribter. Trib is usually a driver, but or is
But
it
here
about
it's
tribe?
the sea is troubled.
Oh, the sea is troubled. The sea is troubled. The sea is pulled, just like me. And I didn't know what oi. Oh,
Oichet
also. Okay,
Also.
you know what? There was a typo in what you sent in
Yes,
it. Okay.
yes. There was a
Also,
typo.
yeah, also verliebter, also a beloved. Also
No, also in love.
in love,
Also
Tra
in
la
love.
la, also in love, tra la la, also. I thought a verliebter is someone who's in love. Like, okay,
It's someone that is, someone
someone
that
who's
is
in
in love.
love. Okay.
Thank you, Elaine.
Okay.
Leah, can you read? Leah, you are with us? You are muted, Leah. Leah, you are muted.
Okay, now I got it. Okay.
Okay, good.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Kum der Fischer teurig, hat kein Fisch gefangen, und ich bin Mara schoredig.
Yes.
Allem ist vergangen. Tralala, a cholem is vergangen, tralala, a cholem is vergangen.
Yes, okay.
So the fisherman comes, what is troedig?
Sadly, he's sad.
Right. The fisher came sadly. He couldn't find any fish, and and he is depressed. Is that it?
No,
It's-
I
yeah,
am.
depressed. Yeah,
Depressed, yeah.
I am not.
yeah, I am. Und ich bin, Mara.
Yeah.
I am.
A column is vergangen. The dream is gone. Tralala. The dream is gone. Tralala. The dream is gone.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Leah. Yes, Elaine.
The gefangen. What
Yeah.
is that? Isn't it gefinnen? Gefunden?
And it means started.
In the past.
It's
I-
vergehen.
No, gefangen, I
Vergehen.
think, means more like captured.
Caught, yeah.
Go.
Caught or captured.
So this is okay. So what is the
Hello?
this is this an infinitive?
I have to pick up some cookies for the class, and also Rafi.
Just a moment.
It's a past participle.
Who is
So
Okay.
Stephen, the urgent care to just make sure.
Marie, if I don't see who is talking. So
No,
I don't-
want the cookies.
I don't
Whoever's
either.
talking, I want the cookies.
Thank you. I get blamed.
In the car. Is that okay?
Yes. Who is it?
Okay.
I have no idea who this
It's
is.
Beverly. It's Beverly.
So
Beverly,
Okay, I got
Okay.
it then.
you
Okay.
got
So
it?
my question is gefangen is the past participle of what?
Catch.
To catch. Gefinnen.
But what is the
Gefinnen.
infinitive? She wants to know what the Yiddish
I
infinitive
want to know. This is past participle. What
Yes.
is the
It's a fargain. It's the past participle of fargain, I think.
Gefangen, yeah.
Fangen.
Fangen is to capture or to catch.
fangen?
Fangen.
How
Oh,
about when you say ungefangen? Ungefangen, like you started.
Means to begin.
Fang schon an.
No, that's something
That's a
else.
different
That's
word.
something else, Cookie.
okay. So
That's
fangen.
another word.
Okay, so fangen means
Catch.
To
catch.
catch or to
catch.
capture. It's often used in war as a Gefangene. He was captured.
Capture.
Like a soldier is a Gefangene. He was captured.
I don't know.
So no, Cookie, that's another word. That's what you are saying.
It's
So
a
people
But you said to catch. What was the other word? Catch or
Capture.
capture.
capture? Thank you.
So it's a synonym?
No.
Yeah, sort of. It depends
that's
on
a
how it's
capture.
used.
Capture, yes. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a rather strong word for a fish.
Okay.
If you've ever fought with a fish on a line,
This is true.
Could be.
Yes.
That's true.
Anyway, yeah, Harriet, yes. You're
I
muted.
think in this sense, I'm sorry, but I think vergangen is the past tense of vergehen, which means it passed. So the dream is past, it's lost.
Yeah.
No, but here he's talking about the fish. The vergangen.
Acholem is
vergangen.
vergangen.
Yes. The dream is lost.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, the dream is lost. People, just so you know, for the next months, we have to deal with all the grammar by ourselves because Raphael wrote to me that he would not be here in June.
It's
So
probably
we-
going
we-
to the camps. Are the camps yet?
I don't. So we have to deal with all the grammar by ourselves, or we can make notes, and when he comes back, we can ask him. Okay? So, yeah. Because grammar has never been my strong area. So,
Okay, I have a question. The word, can you, I know what Steuerlich means, but can you, it's Hebrew, obviously. Can you kind of?
no, it's not Hebrew. No.
No?
No, it's not Hebrew. No.
Okay, I know it means depressed, but can you sort of?
said
she's not
sad,
saying
depressed.
Troyer. Third line.
The German derivation. It's from German.
It's from German.
No, she's
Okay,
not
but
not asking about Troyer. Look at the third line.
It's
She's asking
Hebrew
about
and it means
Shachor.
depressed.
no, the Moira Steuerdick. It's just it's obviously
Moira Schoiredik, that's Hebrew, yes.
It's definitely.
yeah, that's what I'm asking about.
But you
was,
say
it was
Troyer.
Can you tell
depressed,
me the
according to the.
composition of it? Moira usually means fear, right?
Where did this come
No, Marash Chora. Marash Chora is like, like
from? The sun, it's here.
they used to divide to
Was the refrigerator.
how to say it. Just a moment. I think
The dictionary says it means depressed.
Yeah, I know what
Mara
it
is
means.
bitter,
I'm just
like
kind of looking
Moses
at the
struck the
word.
rock of bitter waters.
okay. So
Melancholy.
someone shout, melancholy. That's it.
Melancholy,
Someone shouted it from
okay.
above. Melancholy. That's the thing.
Okay.
3 or 4. It took 2, one for you and for me.
And this is from Hebrew. Marash
Yeah.
Chora, that's in Hebrew. Yeah.
Isn't Morash is bitter?
More.
No.
From the mar bitter.
Like
Mar
bitter
is
herbs?
Like, yeah. So mar is bitter.
Okay, that's what I'm looking for, is kind of the
Yes.
origin of this, because I
Yeah.
don't
Right.
Mar is bitter.
and Steuerdick is from what?
From shachor, black.
Black?
Yes.
Black.
You know,
So,
like a black mood. When you're
yes, a
melancholy,
black
you have a
moon,
black
a
mood.
cat,
Bitter,
shachor.
bitter and black are the
Yes.
origins.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Any more questions before we listen to it once again? No. It's a very, slow sounding. Okay.
Porta fischer oifen jan, forta rumba gine. Hoft der fischer minastam, fischer lech gefine. La 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 la, fischer lech gefine. Tra la 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 la, fischer lech gefine.
I think I do.
Geh ich mir beim Bregarun und tu mein Chulem spinnen. Efter will ich ergetu mein liebsten da gefinnen. Tra la 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 la, mein liebsten da gefinnen. Tra la 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 la, mein liebsten da gefinnen. Urlen chvol jest trojerik, der jam is
Thank you.
Borvir, oi cheta verliebte. La 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 la, oi cheta verliebte. Tra la 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 la, oi cheta verliebte. Kommt der Fischer treuerig, hat kein Fisch gefangen. Und ich bin Moire Schoiredik, ach Hulem ist vergangen. La 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 la, ach Hulem ist vergangen. Tra la 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 la, ach Hulem ist
I don't think it's going to make the Jewish hit parade.
Papa Alberstein is a very singer, an Israeli singer. She's such a beautiful voice.
Yeah. Any question, comments about the song before we move on?
Yes. That's
Yes.
where I heard it with Chava Albertstein.
You know what?
She's singing it.
I was going to say that melody, I can't remember all the words, but the melody is a melody that sounded so familiar to me. I can't remember all the words, but it's from, I don't remember. Ve'enenu tirena tirena. What is that prayer? I can't remember the rest of it. Ve'enenu
I don't know, but the
tirena
same tune.
tirena la 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 da 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 da
Maybe Maurice, you know, Narunsky.
Trena Malchutecha.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
don't remember where it's very familiar. I sing it quite a bit during services.
Yes. Which prayer is it?
I'd have to go back and look at it.
Is it part of the
My
Amida?
memory is going.
Is it part of the Amida?
Don't think so.
This is where we need Rafael.
Yeah, but sorry, or Morty, and he's not here today.
Hadavar, da 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 da.
Okay, look it up and tell us
I'll
next
try
week.
and find it, but it was
Google.
Yeah.
Barbara, you raised your hand, Barbara.
No, I just was curious. Well, I don't mean to be a killjoy, but I just was curious. What is the allure of this piece? I mean, I find it very sad, of course. But what is the allure?
The tune.
It's the tune.
When I heard it first, I couldn't get rid of it. It became like an earworm, and so I continued. So I thought if I bring it to the class, maybe you will get the earworm and I will lose.
Well, obviously Elaine did.
That would be fabulous. Yeah.
Just put it in the front of the bride.
Yeah, well, what I do is as you're going out of the house, and this is Mariah's house, I just put it on the
Who is
left.
that talking?
I don't
driveway, but
Who is that
Yeah,
talking?
We have
to
to
the left.
Okay,
I have no idea who is talking, but
yeah, Geraldine, I got it. So I think it's an example of like kind of the folk music that people used to sing when they worked, and maybe a lullaby kind of thing, about the husband.
I think it's more a lullaby thing.
Yeah. Yes. Theodore Bikel sings it also, and he sings it with the guitar.
Yes,
not a religious song, more like a folk, what people would sing in their homes. And
it's folk music. It's often is about the loneliness of being at sea. There's a if you know Amália Rodrigues, the great longtime superstar of fado, Portuguese soul music.
Oh yeah.
There's a Barca Negro about the black ship. Just the same kind of sadness of that one is, she's the husband is off to sea, or the man in her life, and she's lonely and praying for him to come back. So it's very sad. It's a lot of sadness in being alone.
Fishing was a tough job. I mean, you didn't know whether you would get anything, and you didn't know if you would come back. It was risky.
Yeah, storm hits you and you're gone.
Yeah.
Okay, I see the two people raise their hand. Maurice Narunsky and then Rochelle. Maurice.
Yeah, the melody you were thinking of is from the Kedusha.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it is. All right. So it is part of the Amida.
From the Kedusha. All right. I have my seat. I have my Siddur here. I'm looking. Okay. I'm looking for it.
Okay, Rochelle.
Was this Greenblatt the one that was related to Woody Guthrie, and then he took some of the poems and made them into folk songs?
Yes.
Later on.
Yes.
Okay.
He was very good about writing poems.
Yes.
She's the mother-in-law.
Because a lot of them came into the English vernacular.
Yes.
Okay. Any more?
Wasn't she Woody Guthrie's Schwieger?
Yes.
Something like that. Yeah, I don't remember what the relationship was, but I know there was a relationship.
She raised Arlo because Woody was on the road all the time with his music.
Correct.
Any more questions or comments? So if not, we are moving to. Okay. So that's a poem that our soul. Okay, someone is singing. So
yeah, Elaine, I'm gonna mute her.
Elaine. Elaine.
She's got it. She's got your earworm, Minna. She can't stop.
My earworm.
That's
Anyway.
the melody. This land is your land.
Okay,
I don't remember the rest of the words.
Do you see my screen?
No, you're not sharing it.
Okay.
Minna, while you do that, I wanted to say something about the story from last time before we start. So
but
remember,
we are not doing the story right now. Right now, we are not doing the story. We are listening to Saul.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Later, I'll
sorry.
let you talk about the story.
Sorry.
We will be listening now to Saul reading a poem that he wrote about his father. So I sent it to you by mail. So we are not going to translate it or discuss it or anything. The translation was in the material that I already sent to you. If you want to read it again, go back to what I sent you on Tuesday and you can read it again. But right now, let's listen to Saul. Saul, please. You are muted, Saul.
Shining Dank. The name of the poem is Der Galicianer. Der Food der Mane is gewesen a Galicianer.
This is she?
Huh?
Doing well. How about you?
Again, someone is talking.
Yeah, I got it.
Please mute everyone. Except Saul.
Okay, Saul, please.
So, der Food der Mane is gewesen a Galicianer. Gekommen von a Schwänchen. A Yiddish Städtel mit ordentliche jüdische Menschen. A Mama und a Taten, a Schwester und 3 Brüder hat gehabt. Bis de Milchume hat sei gunisch geschaut. No in a Schreck is weg. Du steht also in a Blitz. Sie geworden a mörderische Besäulem. Auschwitz. Die Kinder, a weggenehmen Besinde. Tränen, Geschreien, so hat mir Bart gekannt hören. So haben geweint, gebangt, für sein Heim. Alle Jiden sind geworden verjuckt, Fremde, weggenommen, was sie haben vermutet. Nur gefreit haben die Wanzen, finstere Heid, in der Nacht, um sie geholfen zu tanzen. In einem masseldicke Schuh hat sich die Milchume aufgehört. Die Übergebliebene, was haben belebt, sein Leben ist geworden zu stehen. Durch 3 Lagers und KZen ist Marfute befragt geworden, kaum lebendig. Dort Dafke, nach allem, hat sein Herz gefühlt, a Pint alle Jid, nem gegeben hat Rick. Mit der feinen Meidl hat sich bekennt, sich beide gekickt in die Augen und gehalten der Hand, geschworen zu Gott, kein Mut nicht zu sein verlockt. Verheiratet sind sie geworden auf dem jüdischen Format, in ein Kind geboren, ja, auf der Zeit. Doch Gott weiß anders, ein Leben wieder zu machen. Nebach das Lachen ist ausgegangen, in Herz zu stachen. Nach 4 Jahren von der Gassene ist Marfute gestorben. Die Mama hat wieder gedorfen, ein Durchleben, ein neuer Glauben. Sie ist schon mehr als 70 Jahre sich durchgerieben, von daheim, weggejuckt und rausgetrieben. Also hat passiert zu der Food der Mane. A Wohle, stille Galicianer. A Dank.
Thank you, Saul. Thank you very, very
beautiful.
much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very beautiful.
If you want to write to Saul, you can write to him later. If you want to reread it, go back to Tuesday and you can reread it. Okay, and now, thank you, Saul, again. Really, thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Now, Mariv, yeah, we are moving to the story. Yes,
Okay,
Mariv.
so we at the end of during last time, Barbara found the link to Bar Yochni.
Yes.
And we were all, wonderful that she found it. So it made me curious. So I went back and looked, and we read a story in October 2024 about the it had to do with graves. I think the king looking for a wife or something. I don't remember the whole story, but it had the bird in it as well. And I got curious about it then and wound up on Bar Yochni. So we have another story that has that giant bird, mythical bird in it that we read. Do anybody remember what I'm talking about?
I don't remember, if you have the name of the story.
Here, hold on. Let me share the story. It was this one. I cannot make out what the names.
The Shlomo HaMelech Unashmedai.
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember this big thing about digging the
Yes,
graves, and then there was a big bird that appeared.
A
So
big
we had
bird,
it. We had it once before. It was
okay.
I
The
thought that was
problem is
interesting.
that we have to remember that we had it once before.
Yeah, well, what you read a year ago is already. Anyway, it's not because it's so strange because you don't hear about it much in Jewish culture these days, but we've read this is the second story that has it in it.
Yeah, okay. So
yeah,
here we go. So let me share the story. Now you see?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So we stopped a little bit after Gimel, but we will go back because, it will, I'm trying to make it, I think that's the, okay, that's, I think, the most
to the
that I
right.
can do.
There we go. Yeah, a little more.
Yeah, that's the most that I can do. Okay, so Gimel, Amol Zenen. So, Karen, I think you read it before, so please read it again so we will get, into the story.
Amol. Oh, yeah. Did you say Karen?
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
you.
Amol sollen Menschen auf ein Schiff über den großen Jan gefahren. Once upon a time, people traveled. People on a ship traveled on a ship over the Great Sea. Plötzlich hat sie a Vogel der sein. Suddenly they saw a bird. Der Kopf in Himmel, die Fies in Yam, und das Wasser bis die Knöchel. The head in the sky, the feet in the sea, and the water up to the ankles. Haben sie gefällt von der Schiff springen. They wanted to jump from the ship. Boden sich verglust sei. They desired to bathe. Gemeint nicht tief, Kneckelwasser. Thinking it's not deep, water up to the ankles. Plötzlich haben sie Balkol der Herd. Suddenly there was a voice from heaven. They heard a voice from heaven. Hit eich mit 7 Jahr zurück hat a Holzhacker da hat gehackt. Watch out, 7 years ago, a woodcutter chopped is das Hackeisen, is das Hackeisen in Wasser herab. The axe fell into the water. Fällt es, fällt und ed iom bis zum Grund nicht der Gangen. And the axe fell down. It fell, and to this day, it hasn't reached the bottom of the sea. Tief, tief gaffen die Fegelach. Azoi tief, deep, deep, gape with astonishment, the birds. How deep? Azoi, very deep, very deep. Azoi tief, sagt der Rob. Very deep, says the row. Azoi tief und koin bis die Knöchel, so deep and almost and barely to the ankle. Wundert sich eins, one of the little birds wondered. Was der Yiddish? What's the surprise? And felt der Rebbe, answered the Rebbe. Jener Vogel is Bar Yochna, a Gavan. That bird was the Bar Yochna. Bar Yochna, geläubt is und geläubt is sein Nomen. Praise is he, and praise be his name. Bar Yochna, was die tiefste Tiefenisch mit die Knöchel von seiner Fies messt ois. That the deepest depth measures with up to his ankle. Und das hat von Euven hit euch zu den Menschen geschrieben, and that he from up above, watch out, he cried to the people. He, sagt gewarnt sie, nicht geheißen. He warned them, he didn't call to them. Ter knackten ois alle Fegelach mit amol. Ter shouted out all of the birds at once. A guter is Bar Yochna, a guter. He is a good one, Bar Yochna, a good one.
Thank you, Karen. Thank you. Ralph, can you continue?
Yeah. When
Can you move
I'm Fegele.
Can you move it a little bit to the right? It's like half cut off on.
Yeah, it's cut off.
The left side is sort of the last few word or two is cut off.
Okay, so I just have to make it smaller. Okay.
Oh, no.
When ein Fegele Liebedix, tanzt auf ein Fissele unter ein und singt sich. Joichne. Joichne, süßer, guter, Hit, mein Taten, Bench, mein Mamen.
Okay, so can you translate it, please?
And one bird, a lively one, a happy one, danced on one foot and sings to himself or to herself. Yoich, I'm not sure what that means. Just a chorus.
Yochne, that's the name of the bird, the big bird.
Oh, okay, Yochne. Zisser, good, so sweet, good one. Watch over my father and bless my mother.
Another.
Mer. Chappen die Fegelach wieder amol unter. Und der Rov sagt, ja, a guter is bar Jochne. Und auf guten hat die Menschen geraten nor. Was?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
If you can translate before, Chappen die Fegelach.
More. The birds captured again or sung again underneath that, through that. And the rabbi says, yes, a good one. He is Bar Yochne, and for good, he tells the people.
He advised the people.
He advised the people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Ralph. Thank you. I see that Karen raised her hand. Karen?
It's just something that we saw last week as well. The verb unterhappen, it means to sing along. Happen does mean to seize or capture, but when it's combined in the verb unterhappen, it means to sing along.
Thank you. Thank you. Josefa, will you continue, please? Just a moment. Susan, yes, you raised your hand, Susan.
What is the origin or the meaning of that name Bar Yochne? It's just,
no idea.
I'll put the Wikipedia page. You can try and figure it out yourself. It's very confusing.
It is. It's kind of it's mentioned in the Talmud, and I have no idea what is from where it comes.
Yeah, it's in one little time in the Bible, and mostly folk stories. I think about it.
What's the shorish of Yochne?
We don't know.
Oh, okay.
That's what we said. We don't know.
Yeah, we don't know what.
Bar is
Yochanan, maybe? Yochanan?
Maybe Yochanan. Yeah, we don't know. We really don't know.
But it does translate, excuse me, it translates to son of the nest.
Yeah, son of the nest is what Wikipedia says too. Bar is son. How do you say nest in Hebrew, Minna?
Ken.
Okay.
Kuf nun.
What is the meaning of nest?
N-E-S-T.
Oh,
nest of a bird.
Yeah.
Nest of a bird.
I thought that you were saying it in Hebrew. Okay.
Yes. In Hebrew, a nest is ken, but I don't see.
Okay, so Yochne has the K in the end. It's, it could be a derivative.
It doesn't have the ken. I don't see it.
Excuse me, it says that in Arabic, the word for nest is wakanatan.
Ah.
So that it might be related to Arabic, the word nest in that term.
Well, let's agree that we will not find it now, that we will not get it now. So, yeah. Okay, Josefa, was toig du süße Weizele? Josefa?
You're muted. You're muted.
Right. Okay. Was toig dos süße Weizele? What use is this sweet? I don't know this word Weizele.
Wheat.
Wheat?
Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat.
Okay. All right.
You know how I know it? Because in German, Weizenbier is beer made out of wheat. So, it's useful. It's useful to drink beer sometimes.
Okay. Nito verso es kloiben. who should not, what's Kloiben? I don't know Kloiben either.
Kloiben to collect. So
Gather.
what good is the sweet wheat if there is no one to collect it?
Oh, okay.
And the translation says, and what good is clever advice when there's no one to praise it? Really nice.
Okay, all right. Was teugt das kluge Eitzele? What good is this little piece of advice? Nicht da wer soll es leuben when there's no one, when no one should praise it. A guter is bar Jochene und auf guten hat die Menschen geraten, haben sie aber nicht gefolgt. All right. A good one. He's a good one, Bar Yochana. And on the good, and to the good, what? He has.
He tries to do well by
he advises people.
Yes, yes.
Right. But they don't get it.
But they didn't follow it. They didn't follow it. Folgen is to follow.
Okay, but they didn't follow his advice. Okay, all right. Okay, nicht gefolgt. They didn't follow it. Für was? Why? Weil von die Größe Schwimmers sind sie gewesen. Because what are the best swimmer, the greatest swimmers?
Mm-hmm. Yes, they were from the great swimmers. Yeah,
from the great swimmers. Und wo Schwimmer ist Barimer wie die Katschke. Who's a better swimmer than the duck?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
The translation is whoever is a swimmer is boastful like a duck.
Boastful like a duck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Is that this?
Is there a barimer?
Yeah, and look at the next line because it says about boasting.
Yes. Yeah, you're right.
Die Schwimmers sich barimt. As they had this, so the swimmers brag about themselves.
Brag. Yeah. Yes.
About themselves. Miren sich. I don't know miren.
Miren is mirvelen.
Is what?
Mirvelen.
Ja.
Miren sich is mirvelen sich.
Yeah. We want?
We'll do it.
Velen sich. We will.
We will. Oh, okay. Miren sich. We will. Sagen sie, they say. In a tiefe Tiffnischen Arop Lawson. In a deep something.
In the deeps of the deep. Deep, yeah.
The depths of
very deep. Yeah.
Okay. Is there a letter missing? D-Hawk?
No, it's an X.
What is it?
The X.
A-X-E. Axe. A-X-E.
The X. Okay.
That was dropped.
They were talking about the
X that fell into the water, right. Aroisbakomen.
Bring it up, fetch it.
We'll get it out.
Bring the axe up.
Yeah.
Und mit sich in Barjochene vermesten. And in it, Barjochene, what's vermest?
Vermesten is to be like someone.
Translation is measure.
Measure, yeah. Measure up to him.
Compete.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Wel mir sich Nomen after Welt machen. So he will make a name for himself in the world?
Yes. Yeah.
Right.
Another small paragraph, please.
Okay. Gesagt und in Yam rein gesprungen. He's saying something about jumping into the ocean.
It's like said and done. Said and done. They said and they jumped into the water, into the sea.
Okay. All right. Bald is a größer Sturm Zayera Fliegel.
No, Sturm
Oh, I
Wind
missed a line. Oh,
geworden.
I've jumped a line. Wait a minute. Sturm. Wind geworden. All right, so soon a big storm came up.
Yes.
Von alle Ecken Welt haben die finstere Odlers gejuckt und sehr Fliegel. That's too long a sentence. Die Größe wie die Nacht haben sie über den Himmel verspreit.
Okay.
Oh, it's too long. Okay, where were we? Start.
Bald ist ein großer Sturmwind geworden. So
a big storm came up.
Yes.
From every corner of the world, had the darkness.
The dark Adler is
Eagle.
Oh,
dark eagles.
The dark
converged.
Yeah, okay. Converged and.
This is such a beautiful line. They spread their wings.
Something about wings. Yes, spread their wings.
It's a thing, the wings.
All right. The great one, the large one, like
as large as the night.
As large as the night.
I just love this line. Beautiful. Across the sky.
So across heaven. They spread across the heavens. And did we go that far? No, I stopped.
No, that's it. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks. Barbara, go on.
Right.
Und die blinde Augen.
Und die blinde Augen von die finstere Adlers haben sich geöffnet. And the blind eyes of the dark eagles opened. Und sie hat geblitzt und geregnet. Und it was lightning and rain. Und Kavaliers wie die Berg haben sich bis zum Himmel gehäuben. And waves as large as a mountain reached to the sky, to the heavens. Und die Schiff haben sie auf sehr places getrogen 40 Tag und 40 Nacht, and carried the ship, and they carried the ship on their backs for 40 days and 40 nights.
He's talking about the story. He's talking about the Mabul.
Yeah, the great flood. Noah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. And do you want me to go on? Or
Yes,
please. Can you just explain? They carried the ship on their backs. I'm not sure.
Yeah, because the eagles were so big.
Oh, the eagles. Okay, I lost track. It's such a long sentence. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
okay.
the eagles.
Or is it the waves? Not the waves.
Maybe the waves. Maybe the waves.
The waves. Yeah.
Sometimes places can be called shoulders.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. And the Cavaliers. Yeah, you're right.
Thank you.
Nachdem hat Bar Yochne geläubt is and afterwards, following that, Bar Yochne, may his name be praised, may he be praised, mit seine Fliegel Linden Fan getan. I thought it was a fan. Okay, for getan. Oh, okay. Thank you. And with his wings tenderly flapped.
Yes.
Hat still Vinkl geblasen, and a quiet wind blew. Sennen die Wasseren still geworden, and the waters quieted.
und die Schiff haben sie auf die Berg Ararat ausgespiegen. And the still waters spit out onto Mount Arafat. The ship. Not Arafat, excuse me, Ararat.
Arafat is long John, yeah.
I'm sorry there. Alle die Schwimmers sind der Trunken geworden, and all the swimmers drowned. Nur einer von sie is in der Schiff geblieben, but one remained in the ship. By Jochnes Wunder zu erzählen. I'm having a problem with that. And remained, and Bar Jochnes wonder.
Could thus tell the tale of Bar Yochna's wonder.
Exactly. To tell the wonder.
I see. He was a witness.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So
okay.
He left
and he could speak about it.
Yes.
Okay. So he gave a testimony. Die meiste von der Trunkenisch haben die Menschen in sehr heilige Sephorim verschrieben. And the people wrote about this in their holy books. Sehest by ze mobile, the flood. They wrote about it as the flood.
Thank you, Barbara. Any questions until now? Any comments until now?
If all the people were drowned, who wrote the story?
The one remaining in the boat.
That's all we have one.
He wrote it in the holy book. I did. There's a little.
Well, he probably told it, and then it was written down into the holy book.
I'll buy that.
We have to accept it with a touch of, with a lot of salt. So not only. So. Yeah. Anyway, Rochelle, go on.
Okay. Wie soll, fragen die Vögel. How? The little birds ask. Mebel, flood, zok der Rav. The Rav says, schwer für euch, this is difficult for you. Ihr werdet das nicht noch sagen. You will not recite this?
You'll not be able to repeat it.
To repeat it.
Repeat it, okay. Me be fee. Ruft ein. Me be fee, try it.
One of them, one is trying. Because
one is trying.
The Rav is saying that it will be difficult for them to say the word mabel.
Okay.
So he's
trying to say it.
Okay. Ki. Zelacht sich a zweiter. Ki, another one laughs. Sha, du Schkotz. Quiet, you scoundrel. Schreit auf ihm on der Rav. The Rav is yelling at him. Streng und git ihm a gringen Pick in Kepler. Let me go back. Schreit auf ihn der Rav und strengt und gibt ihm a gringen Pick in Kepler. And he gives him an easy flick.
A
peck in his head. Menschen tränken sich und ihm ist freilich. People drown and he's happy about it. Lacht go. Laugh. Go on and laugh. Die Vögel sind unmutig geworden. The little birds got very sad. Und der Rav hat gesagt, and the Rav said, und noch am Mainze hat in jener Nacht der Chol übergegeben. What's Chol?
Chol is the phoenix.
The what?
Phoenix. The Phoenix.
okay. All right. And another story, the Phoenix told another night.
That night. In jener Nacht.
Okay, that night the Phoenix told another story. Will mir hören? Do you want to hear it? We want to hear it. We want to hear it. Haben sich die Vögel aufgemuttert. They got energized.
Yeah, cheered up, energized.
Cheered up, energized. Und der Rav hat erzählt, and then the Rav started to tell it again.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rochelle. Eric, can you read Yiddish? I haven't asked you last time.
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay, go on.
Amol haben sich die Menschen heuchen Turm gebaut.
The Tower of Babel, here it comes.
Where is the cursor?
Here. Okay. A sentence and translate. One sentence and translate.
Okay.
It's easier this way.
Once upon a time,
yes,
haben sich the people heuchen Tummel allowed tumult.
A tall
tower.
Built a tall tower. A tower up to the sky.
Yes.
Two, in the Lashon Kodesh you have to help me with.
Bar Yochne.
To Bar Yochne, gewollt der grip der Greichen to Bar Yochne. It wanted to reach.
Yes.
Lichtige Federn von seine Vögel gewollt, gewollt ausreißen und Geld verkaufen. So light feathers from their wings wanted to ausreißen.
Pluck.
Tear out.
To pluck or tear out, and for money to sell.
Yeah. So they wanted to tear out some feathers from him and to sell it for money.
Geld, pflegen die Vögel, was heißt Geld? Money. Ask the little birds. What does money mean? What's this word? Wer kann wissen? Who knows? It's a secret. Menschen haben Menschen haben a Teve sehr Stegele.
No.
Menschen haben a Teve sehr Geld zu behalten. So people have a habit maybe of hiding their money?
Yeah.
Nor a canarical, but a canary?
Yes,
but a little canary. Was is bei ze in ganz Jahr, so but a little, which is by them the whole year. Una Stegele gesessen und der noch auf der frei sich herausgerissen.
Okay, so stop here and let's say.
Okay.
So
okay.
Only a canary.
Which is by them the whole year.
Stegele is a cage.
Who spent an entire year in a cage living among people.
Oh, okay. A ganz Jahr in a Stegelech. Okay. gesessen and there
and
auf der
afterwards, danach, and afterwards,
and after the freedom or
and
after he
after
was
the
liberated,
he escaped.
he escaped. After he
Preisig
escaped.
ausgerissen, hat mir erzählt, he told me, als es hat allein gesehen that he himself saw dorten und in Stub, etwas, he saw there in the house something, schwarze Sache, a black thing or a terrible thing, sich rumdrehen, like moving around him.
Yeah.
Schwarze Sache, black thing, a terrible thing, mit with green little eyes, und egelig,
Und scharfe Nägel.
and sharp nails.
Yeah. So just a moment. Thank you. Just a moment. I see that Elaine raised her hand. And
Yeah. What is the Oiskerissen?
Escape. He tore out.
Torn out. So can you just translate that sentence? Nor was is bei sie?
Okay.
He tore himself out. He escaped.
Yeah. Was ist bei sei a ganz Jahr in a Stegele gesessen, a canary that sat in a cage at them. Them, it means your people, a whole year, und danach auf der Frei sich ausgerissen, and afterwards he managed to get out, to free himself, hat mir erzählt, he told me. Okay, you want me to continue?
Yes, no. Yes. Okay. It was the ice. Yeah. So oiskerissen. So oiskerissen could also mean not only.
It's reflexive. It's reflexive. So he tore himself out.
He tore himself out.
Exactly.
He escaped. Yes. Right. Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
So now we are by Nacht. Go on, Eric.
Okay. By Nacht, wenn me pflegt das frier Feier, dank ois löschen,
Yes.
Und alle in Stub haben sich schlafen gelegt.
Okay, so translate by Nacht.
So at night, when people used to put out the fire, and everybody in the house had like laid themselves down to sleep.
Yes.
The mold then in the darkness, in their Finsternis, pflegen sich bei der schwarzer Sach, then in the darkness, the black thing, the green eigentlich anzünden, the green little eyes lit up.
Yes. Apachad, that's Hebrew, apachad.
Was meant apachad?
A
fright, okay. Die ganze Welt zu verbrennen, the whole world to burn.
Yes.
Teut in alle Vinkl verspreid. So, yeah, teut in all the little corners, it sprayed.
To spread death. Spread death in all yeah.
Okay. Und ich mein, I think, ob das ist nicht gewinn kein wilde cats. So I think if this wasn't a wild cat, is das Avada Geld? Is das Avada Geld?
And it certainly must be money.
Yeah.
Okay, dank. Yes, money. Ich hab dazu
ראיה. ראיה is evidence.
Evidence or proof.
Is evidence. Okay.
Evidence.
Okay, so I have proof of this.
Yeah. Thank you. You read really well.
Yeah.
You read really well.
Very good.
Thank you.
Zu lehen in ein bisschen besser.
But you read really well. Thank you. Yes,
Dank.
Beverly.
The word gelt, it's gelt with a tough. How come?
No, geld is it's okay.
It's with a dollar? It's with a dollar?
It can be a Germanic spelling.
Yeah. You
The,
can
the
read
old
this.
German spelled it with you can switch up
Yeah, you can switch.
a dalet and a tes.
Yeah.
Like
You can
with the
switch.
word gewalt.
We say gelt. We don't say geld.
Yeah.
But
No,
this is
it's
Germanic.
pronounced, the D is pronounced T in German by many Germans.
It's pronounced the same.
It's a Deutschmer spelling.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Okay, Morty, go on, please.
I'm sorry.
No,
I wasn't paying much attention.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Vos
fararaye? Yes, araye.
Okay, vos fararaye zijn die vegelig neigierig zu wissen. What is the matter?
No, what evidence? Raye.
What evidence is there? Are the little birds curious to know? Hobamul geschmiest mit a schlang. I once spoke with a serpent. Was hat 7 Jahre in Indien by a fakir gelernt. I spoke with a serpent that was for 7 years in India with a fakir studying.
What's a fakir? He lived.
Sorry?
He lived. He didn't study. He lived. Gelebt.
Oh, gelebt, not gelernt.
What's a fakir?
Yes.
Oh, fakir is kind of a
magical,
kind of
wise,
a
wizard.
Wise man. An Indian wise man.
The sect.
Yeah. Sie hat bei ihm Chochme gelernt. She learned knowledge with him. Der Fakir pflegt ihr Mäul zu sich in Mäul reinnehmen.
Yeah.
The Fakir would take her into his mouth.
Take her mouth into his own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, take her into his mouth. In Maul zu Maul and mouth to mouth, ihr tiefe Säudes umgeklebt. And gave her the deep secrets.
Yeah, to reveal to her the deep secret. Yeah. So just a moment, Morty, because I see that Marsha raised their hand and we are going to change it. Yes, Marsha.
The word fakir, it sounds like faker.
No. Fakir is fakir.
No. Unschuldig. Unschuldig.
Yes, Brenda.
I looked it up. A faker is a wandering religious ascetic or mystic who lives entirely on alms. Rooted in the Arabic world, meaning poor man, the term originated with Muslim Sufi ascetics, but was later broadly applied to Hindu holy men and wonder workers in South Asia.
Thank you.
And it also often the ones that have the snake with the musical instruments getting the snakes to perform.
Yeah. Or walking on nails or hot coats.
That kind of thing. Yeah.
That kind of thing.
And the correct pronunciation is fakir.
Fakir. Yes, fakir. Okay, go on, Monty.
Hat mir die Schlange so gesagt. And the serpent said to me as follows. As we sehen a Sach, when you see something, was bei der lichtige Schein is dus finster, that under the bright light is this dark, und bei der finster Nacht is dus lichtig, and at the dark night is this bright, sollst du wissen, als du siehst. So you will know that you see. Other gliveremel, other farfoiled hals. Either a gliveremel, I don't know what gliveremel is.
Glowworm.
Sorry?
Glowworm.
A glowworm.
Oh, a glowworm. Or a spoiled hals.
Rotten wood. Rotten wood.
Okay. Yeah.
Holes.
Other Chochme fin Naronim, other Geld. Or wisdom from the idiots, or Geld, or money.
This is such a great story.
Picture.
Yeah, it's such great words. Wonderful.
Yes.
And the next one, look at what they say to it. Go ahead.
Tief. Schweifchen die Vögel. Schwiftchen, the Vögel. Say or make noise, the little birds.
No, they whistle, to whistle.
Okay. What was the word?
To Schwiftchen, to whistle. To whistle,
whistle birds. A tief word. Avode, of course, zog the roof. Of course, says the rabbi. As ihr wird älter werden, when you grow older, that ihr dus erst recht verstehen, you will only then correctly understand this.
So, do you remember your parents tell you that?
Yes.
That you will understand it when you get older? Here it is.
Yes.
So it's really cute. The translation is deep, 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 chattered the birdies. That's so deep.
That's so deep.
Really cute.
Okay, another sentence, Morty.
Okay. In noch wusst euch die Menschen die dosige schwarze Sache. And for what else is good this dark thing mit die Eigler with the little eyes was brennen in der Finster that
glow or burn.
Glow in the darkness, willen die Vögel wissen, and is what the little birds wanted to know. Those liebe Vögel, these dear little birds, haben uns Menschen nicht erzählt. People didn't tell us. No wissen weiß ich, but knowing I know, as Menschen haben die dosige schwarze Sache sehr lieb. That people love very much this black thing. For Geld wird ein Mensch amol a viele das Leben weggeben. For money, some people would even give up their lives.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Morty.
Poor cat is getting a bad rap here.
Yeah. Yes. Beverly, please. Afilo das Leben?
Afilo das Leben, even though their life? Yeah. Das Canarico. What is
Canarico,
that?
Canary.
Was it's not was hat Dorten bei sie in Stub a ganz Jahr gelebt. The canary would lived in their house for a whole year. Sich auf der frei. They said it earlier. Arausgerissen. He tore himself out to freedom. Hat mir erzählt, and as alle in Stub, they told me, and everyone in the house, von klein bis groß, from small till big, hat die schwarze Sach lieb gehabt. The black thing loved them.
No, opposite. They love the black thing.
Oh, okay. Oh, they love the black thing. Kleinvarg pflegt sich damit spielen und tanzen. What is little people?
Yes, children.
Little children. They played and they danced
with the
black thing. Mitten Balabas is das auf ein Geleger geschlafen. Oh, and she slept. Was it the canary?
No,
the
no,
cat.
the
This
Oh,
black.
this thing. Oh, this thing slept with the boss.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the bed with this
with
on the same bed with the
And the
man of the
same
house.
Geleger, right, on the same bed with the boss. Die Balabuster, that's the woman. How do you say Balabuster?
A balabuste,
Flag dust.
the woman of the house, the
Yeah,
master.
the woman of the house. Flags das zum Harz Tulien. Hutch alle flag das said,
The goblin.
Well, I don't know what Tulien, but it sounds like even the Balabuster.
Cuddle.
Tulien is to cuddle.
Cuddle. Oh, cuddle.
So she cuddled it.
Yes, and everyone flagged us Segrablin. I don't know.
Even though it would scratch all over.
Oh my.
Yeah, well, people love, every cat, they do that, but you still love them, right?
No.
Just a moment. Yes, Barbara is there.
So I just wanted to point out, here we have balabus and we have a balabusta, and it's not in Hebrew, if you notice.
No,
and
it's
I'm
not
curious,
in Hebrew.
I'm curious about that. Why did that occur? Just curious. Because there are other Hebrew words and they're spelled correctly, and I'm just curious.
Yeah, but no, it's not. This is not in Hebrew. That's spelled like in Yiddish.
It's not a word.
One is the man of the house and the other is the woman of the house.
Yes, but it's not in Hebrew.
It's not written like in Hebrew.
But it's not a word, is it?
They had Rachmanis for those of us who don't read Hebrew.
Okay.
I don't think that's the answer, but that's great.
Yeah, no, that's not the answer. Yeah, but no.
But it's not. It's a word. Is it a Hebrew word?
Yes.
Balabus and balabait. Yeah,
They wrote it in Yiddish.
But here it's written in the Yiddish.
I see.
The Yiddish tiger, the Yiddish way.
Yeah.
They wrote it in the Yiddish. Okay.
Anyway, all those questions, write down, and Rafael will be back. We will go better.
We'll have to read the story again.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Marsha, yes, Marsha.
You said Tullian is cuddle?
Yes, to Tullian is to cuddle.
There is another word, right, for cuddle?
Probably, but Tullian is cuddling.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's another one. Morty, yes?
Yes, two questions. One, is there a word in Hebrew for balabuste? I know balabait.
No.
I didn't think so.
No,
yeah.
there is no.
The other thing that I wanted to mention, which might be of interest to some
just
people.
a moment. Morty, you say balabait and baalat abayit.
Baalat abayit.
Baalat abayit, yeah.
Okay, thank you. The other thing that might be interesting for some people, you mentioned in passing that Arangispringen in Yam Arangispringen is said and done. Gesucht an Arangispringen. Do you know where that saying comes from? I will tell
Not
you.
really. Do you know?
Okay.
Can you tell us?
Yes. It comes from the Torah, from the tradition, really, Midrash. When the Jews were in front of the Red Sea and the Egyptians were coming behind them, they were afraid until Nachshon ben Aminadav jumped into the water.
Yeah.
And then the waters opened.
Oh.
Okay, that's a good.
Yam Arangispringen.
Oh, so that's why they're talking about the swimmers jumping into the water.
Yeah, jumping into the water. I told you that we need Morty for this story.
Not so much.
It's like a Jeopardy question. But our Rabbi Siegel in Houston, he always asks that question. And then I met a little boy whose name is Nachshon. So there's a book about it. I bought that book for that child, for that family. Nachshon.
Okay.
I love that. Because very few.
Nachshon ben Aminadav.
Nachshon ben Aminadav.
Yeah.
Okay, we will stop here.
Because it's finishing. Okay.
Yeah.
We will stop here and we will continue.
Great story.
Minna, I did not receive the email where the
IAYC event was for it being replayed because I forgot I didn't sign up for it. So somebody, the people who asked about it,
everyone.
Yeah, I couldn't post it.
Okay, I'll send it to Beverly or I'll send to everybody.
I will put
Why
it with the.
why don't you just send it to everybody?
I will.
I send it to Beverly after I get it, and she'll send it out to everybody.
Okay.
Put it with the Houston. When I put the Houston playlist, I put it there. You know, watch all the other things from the past, like Shalom Aleichem and everything. It's all in the Houston playlist.
Okay.
Oh, okay, great.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Yeah,
so Marsha will send it and okay. If you don't get it in the next 3 days or something, contact me. I'll send it again. Okay?
Yeah.
Barbara?
So I just have to make a comment. I'm sorry. If this story were on social media, it would be believed. And besides that, like the canary, but I saw it. It has to be true. I saw it. It was on,
there is proof.
on video. I saw it.
There is proof. You see, there is proof.
Yes. Yeah. So remember that, folks.
Especially now with all the AI generated stuff.
It's a charming
Who knows what's real and what's not?
Could the black thing have something to do with petroleum?
Or the plague?
Whatever it is, it's the fault of the Jews.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, you see, we are in Texas after all, so maybe, who knows?
The black gold.
That's the one thing that remains the same no matter what.
I think it's a wonderful story through
That is wonderful.
Through which we can learn quite a bit. You see, Morty's telling us about, from the Midrash and all kinds of things. So that's really. Anyway, you also have it in English now. I sent it last week. I sent it to you also in English. So you can compare, you can do what. And we will continue next week. I think it will take us about 2 weeks to finish it. So anyway, that's what I think. Okay. I hope you enjoy it as well as I do.
I get the vote.
Thank you.
We'll see you next week.
Schönen Dank, Allemann.
Sei mir alle gesehen.
Sei gesund.